So are you guys struggling to understand your ads and make money from dropshipping? Well, you've come to the right place, because I've generated over $4 million in sales over the past 4 years with my branded niche dropshipping store, and I'm going to help you guys optimize your ads so you can start making money. At the end of this video, you guys are going to understand your ad metrics and how you can optimize your ads and website. This is the ECOM Zone, and welcome back to my channel. Before we dive into this video, smash that like button and leave a comment below with your ad metrics, and I'll personally give you advice on how to improve your ads. I'll need your CPMs, your cost per clicks, your CTRs, and your CPAs. And if you're making sales already, you could also provide me with your Shopify metrics for your add to carts, your checkout rates, and your purchase rate. So let's get to it. So in this video, I'm going to go through phase 2, which is optimizing your ads. So the objective of optimizing your ads is 1. Find winning creatives and copy, improve your website and product pages, and kill or scale products. So before we start, assign the correct metrics to analyze your ads on the Meta dashboard. So let's head over to our Meta dashboard now. So now that we're in our ads manager, your dashboard is probably not going to look something like this. You're probably going to have just one campaign, which is for testing. However, what we're doing now is adjusting your column so you can analyze your ads better. By default, you'll probably be set with either performance and clicks or delivery or video engagement. Now what we want to do is create our own. Now to create our own, you want to customize columns. So click down here. Now what you guys want to do is tick and untick the ones that we do and don't need. So you want your columns to look something like this. So I want to show you quickly which ones I have. So when you go customize, you want your results, frequency, impressions, delivery, amount spent, CPC, all. And if you want to learn more about each one, you simply hover over, click see more. And this is how they calculate the cost per click all and what it includes. You can also click this one and it will also pull this up on the right. Now continue going down, we want quality ranking, cost per result, CPM. We're going to leave that all out. Media, 3-second video plays at 25, 50, and you could probably take 75 if you want, 95, etc. Video plays, average play time. But for me, I don't personally run a lot of video ads, so I don't have these ticked. Some metrics to include for conversions is add to carts total, checkouts initiated total, down here purchase ROAS and purchases. You also want your budget here, and then you want to rearrange your columns so it's in this order. If these are ticked, you want them all unticked. Okay. So just screenshot this and then create the column so it looks like this, and then click apply. So if you're going to make a change to this preset, you need to make sure to save as here and click save. So now that we got our column set up, I'm going to teach you how to analyze your ads. But before I teach you how to optimize your ads, we're just going to go through a few pointers. So for budgets and spending, I was spending around $50 a day on ads when I first started. You may be wondering if you can start with a lower budget, around $20 a day, 30, 40. Now, yes you can, but your testing phase will be a lot slower because you're just simply not getting enough data to make accurate changes. And also, do not expect to make sales from the get-go. I broke even only after spending $500 on meta ads in 2020. Unfortunately, dropshipping has become more competitive over the years, and it requires a lot more skill to succeed. So on to the juicy part, understanding your ad metrics. So a high CPM means you're in a very competitive industry, or you're selling high ticket items, or your creatives are bad. Usually it's the latter. Low click-through rate means your ad creative is not engaging, or your copy is not enticing enough, or they're simply not interested in your product. And if you have a high cost per click, it means you have a low quality ad creative or your ad copy needs improving. Now optimizing your ads. Turn off your ads after 2 days if your CTR is less than 1%, or if your CPM is more than $15 or above industry average, or if your cost per click is more than $1. The reason being is because if your cost per click is more than $1, you're essentially paying $1 or $2 per visitor on your store. This rule only applies if you are far from breaking even. If you're selling a high ticket item and you made one sale with a cost per click of $2, but you're profiting like $300 from that sale, it really doesn't matter then. So you really want around 200 to 500 website visits for each phase of testing. The reason for having a large dataset is so that you can make the right decisions. If no ads have passed this stage, then you need to test new creatives and copy. And in my next slide, I'm going to help you with that. And guys, the strategy you use does not matter anymore. Over the past few years, Meta has made it really simple for us to actually advertise on their platform. And that's why it doesn't really matter what strategy you use to run your ads. As long as you give Meta good creatives and copy to work with, you will print money. So next up is how to optimize your ads if they're not performing. Test new hooks. Test highly relevant and engaging ad content. Test eye-catching visuals that resonate with your target audience. Test new angles. Test different pain points and solutions. Test different video lengths. Test new attention-grabbing headlines. Test persuasive ad copy. Test new offers. Try add urgency to your ads. And test new ad formats. So let's just say you've been running video ads only, then you could try carousel ads, image ads, or dynamic ads. Dynamic carousel ads work perfectly for niche stores with multiple products in your catalog. You could try testing new markets/countries. Just make sure that your suppliers ship to these countries. The aim of optimizing your ads is to lower your ad costs and increase the chances of making a sale. And this is what good ad metrics look like. So your CTR should be more than 2%, your CPM should be around $10 or less, and your cost per click should be around 50 cents. Now my one's on average around 40 cents, and it really depends on your niche and if you're selling high ticket items or not. And your ROAS should be above break-even ROAS for top of the funnel campaigns. You should also have multiple purchases for each winning ad. So let's just say you're making sales but you're not profiting. This actually means your product has potential, so that's good news. All you have to do is keep optimizing your website and continue testing creatives. However, if you're not making any sales, even with good ad metrics, you need to focus on optimizing your website, or your products may have no potential. The only way to discover if your products have potential or not is to optimize your website and your ad creatives. So next up, we want to optimize your website as well. Your website is performing poorly if your add to cart percentage is less than 4%, if your checkout percentage is less than 2%, and if your purchase percentage is less than 1%. Now to check this, you go to the Shopify analytics board and you just look at the data in the past week or 2 weeks. So a low add to cart rate means you need to improve your product page. If you have a low checkout rate, you need to improve your cart page. And if you have a low purchase rate, you need to improve your checkout page. To increase the chances of making a sale, add more products to your niche store on a daily or weekly basis. Personally for me, I try to add 2 new products to my store every day. So how to optimize your product page? You want to build trust and credibility, focus on the pain points or mental benefits, focus on the solutions, clear and bold add to cart buttons and buy now button. You also want to display shipping and processing information. You also want to include social proof from satisfied customers, problem solving statements, product benefits, change your offer and pricing, maybe drop your price by a few dollars and see if that works. Make sure you have FAQs and add customer reviews. You can also try adding multiple images, lifestyle images, videos and GIFs across your product page. So what next? So after you've improved your ads and website, it's time to publish your ads again. Wait 1 to 2 days again and see the results. You want to keep repeating this process until you finally start generating sales and start breaking even. After some time, you'll become profitable from your ad spend. Continue testing new creatives and copy, scale winning ad creatives, create similar ad creatives to your winners, test winning ad creatives with different copy, and test winning copy with different ad creatives. And finally, start running bottom of the funnel campaigns. So when to kill a product. So you actually kill a product if you're still struggling to break even or make a profit, even after optimizing your ads and website. If your product is too saturated, I would also kill it. You should try to avoid killing a product without trying to optimize your ads and website. The reason for this is because you're going to learn how to optimize your ads and your website and give your product a chance. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope this video helps you guys optimize your ads. Smash that like button if it did, and subscribe for more videos. Peace.